Transform your passion for savings into a thriving online hub with this step-by-step guide on building a stunning coupon website in WordPress using the powerful Divi theme. First, ensure you have WordPress installed and the Divi theme activated if you're new to this. A quick search for WordPress installation will get you started once Divi is active. Navigate to Divi, theme options in your WordPress dashboard here. You can upload your website's logo and set up basic theme customizations to match your brand. Next, let's create the foundation for our coupon listings. We'll be using Divi's pre-made layouts. Go to Pages, Add New in WordPress, and then click the Use the Divi Builder button. Select the option to Browse Layouts, search for a coupon or deals template. Divi has many fantastic options available. Choose one that visually appeals to you and click Use this layout. Now, it's time to customize this chosen layout. Is a starting point. We'll edit each section to fit our coupon website's needs. Focus on the elements that will display your coupon information. You'll typically find modules for headings, text, buttons, and images. We'll be configuring these to show the coupon title, the actual discount code, an expiration date, and a clear call to action button to shop now or get deal. To make your coupons pop, we'll dive into the design settings. Click on a coupon module, and then select the Design tab. Here you can adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and even add subtle animations. Pay close attention to the button styling. This is crucial for encouraging clicks. Aim for a clean, readable design that makes it easy for users to find and use their savings. For better organization, create separate pages for coupon categories. For instance, you might have pages for fashion coupons, electronics deals, and grocery savings. You can design these pages similarly using Divi layouts, perhaps featuring a grid of your latest deals for that category. This enhances user navigation and makes it simple for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. Crucially, ensure your website looks great and functions flawlessly on all devices. Divi offers excellent responsive design controls after designing a section. Click the responsive view icons at the bottom of the Divi Builder to preview your site on tablet and mobile. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a seamless user experience for everyone, everywhere. Finally, it's time to launch. Publish your pages, add your featured coupons, and share your new coupon hub with the world. With Divi's intuitive interface and these steps, you've built a visually appealing and highly functional coupon website that users will love returning to.